India Justice Report was recently released in Gandhinagar's Gujarat National Law University in the presence of policymakers, civil society, and students. The report is a first of its kind effort that ranks states on their capacity to deliver justice. It measures 4 pillars of the justice system: the judiciary, police, legal aid, and prisons in each state against their own declared standards and benchmarks. The report uses only government data to indicate the level to which a particular state has equipped itself to deliver justice to the population. The event aimed to highlight Gujarat's capacity to deliver justice and the suggested steps that the state could take to improve its ranking. Gujarat ranked 8th overall in the India Justice Report. While it faced certain capacity deficits, particularly in the police, it displayed the potential to be in the top 5, reducing vacancies, increasing diversity, and showing great intention to improve over 5 years.
We are extremely happy that the launch of this Justice Report is taking place at Gujarat National Law University, and we are also eagerly waiting for a similar support from Tata Trust and other partners who were involved in preparing this India Justice Report to prepare a Gujarat Justice Report, which we would want to take up this initiative at the state level.
Coming to the issue of justice and the rule of law, it not only affects the entire country's social and economic development, but also affects each of us as individuals.
I want to show you this one. How long will it take for states to reach 33% of women? But it will take Gujarat at the present method of recruiting 34 years before they reach their target. Other states will take 200 years. So what I want to show you here is it is one thing to make the rhetoric and quite another to try to fulfill it.
I think the other one, big one, was increasing the share of women in police force, and Gujarat doing very well on that. And we said, continue that process, keep the momentum of increasing the share of women in police force. For the judiciary, we said, fill up judges' vacancies, and that's been a big area. And I think the takeaway is, Justice Shah, you've given several suggestions, and we are looking forward for more suggestions, practical suggestions during the panel discussion. Of course, recruiting more women as subordinate court judges, and at CSJ and with many law universities, we are trying very hard to train women lawyers to apply for and train them beforehand. And it just is providing them with that confidence and the ecosystem. The idea would be to have a focused 1-hour discussion and come out with how can we improve. It's not about critiquing. We understand the problems. We all are perpetrators and victims of the problem. Let's discuss how to solve it. What are the suggestions which can be then presented and discussed.
We are assembling for the last to sum up the entire workshop, that is on prison, police, legal aid and judiciary.
As we discussed in the morning sessions that why can't we have a data pertaining to the minority and the marginalized group. It's not only about the SCs, STs and OBCs. How can we try to fetch the data pertaining to this? Then only we can get the overall inclusive picture.
When we look at the judiciary side, then again there's always a severe sort of a disconnect between the legal aid and who is getting, who is not getting. But the ground reality still remains that if it's in the hands of the judiciary and judiciary is responsible within a district, why is district judge not able to ensure that it reaches to everyone?
Next point is, how do we infuse correctional attitude in prison authorities? Because the correction, reformation, rehabilitation is missing. Because all of us, we know custodial institutions are closed institutions.
But diversity means why the gender takes precedence over in the representation of diversity, why gender means only male, female. I think what is the way we should analyze the category of gender. So in other words, the second set of interventions were what additional data points can be taken within the quantitative frame.
The India Justice Report is a path-breaking endeavour consolidating the efforts of numerous partners working towards the improvement of the justice system. It ranks states according to their capacity to deliver justice to all, using only government data to assess the police, prisons, judiciary and legal aid in each state against its own declared standards and benchmarks.